Hello my friends, welcome back to Simply Makeup. In today's video, it is going to be a comparison with the Huda. I have the Peach Pie Mini Loose Setting Powder, and I am going to use it against Pat McGrath Labs. The shade is called Light 1, and it is Skin Fresh Sublime Perfection Setting Powder, Pat McGrath's Lab. So we're gonna use Pat McGrath. Pat McGrath is going to be on the left side, which will be your right, and Huda Beauty Peach Pie is going to be on my right, which will be your left. So Huda, my right, your left. Pat McGrath, my left, your right. I need to put concealer under my eyes first, and then we will proceed. I have this puff right here. It's clean. I am going to take that, dab in the Pat McGrath, swirl it around. This is what Pat McGrath looks like. I am going under my left eye. I will start lower down so I can diffuse some of that excess powder first before I get up to my under eye. I am just dabbing. Remember to dab really gently because this is under your eye. You don't want to drag and tug. It is a very sensitive part of your face. So I'm just gonna dab Pat McGrath under my left eye, which will be your right when watching this video. And we are going to see what it looks like. Remember, I don't have anything else on except powder foundation, but when I wipe under my eyes, I take away everything, so I just redo under my eyes, not the rest of my face. So this is what Pat McGrath is looking like. Pat McGrath Light 1 Setting Powder. This is it. Under my left, your right. I have nothing under my right eye, and you can see it's only concealer there. This is it. If you look at me straight, you can see what it looks like. It is beautiful. I don't even feel like I have anything there. Now I'm taking this sponge. It is clean, and I am going to go into the Huda Beauty Peach Pie. I put too much on here, but I will just go with the right amount. So I'm just swirling over here, not on the powder anymore, around somewhere else on that has no powder. Now, again, I am going to be on my right eyes, which will be your left. I'll start underneath my eye first to diffuse some of the powder, and then work my way up under the eyes. And I am just going to be gentle and puffing it in. I am not dragging. And I have lots of fine lines under my eyes. So I want to see how different these powders are. Is it worth one or the other, or you want both? It's up to you. And I'll just buff a little bit more because I want to make sure I do both of them justice. But looking in this light, they are still beautiful. The Huda one is much brighter than the Pat McGrath, I would say. But you be the judge of it all. This is the Huda, this is the Pat McGrath. I'm really loving these powders. These powders are nice. This left side of mine is Pat McGrath setting powder. It is called Light 1. On my right, which will be your left, I have the Huda Peach Pie Loose Setting Powder, and it is under my right eye. As you can see, one gives me more brightness than the other. That's what I'm getting from there. But you watching, let me know in the comments what you think. Pat McGrath versus Huda Beauty. I am liking both of them. There is just something about the powders when I put them together. There is something about them. Remember, we just do it only under the eye. The rest of my face is not done. We're just focusing on the my eye. Right eye, Huda Beauty Peach Pie Loose Setting Powder. Left eye, Pat McGrath Light One Setting Powder. Tell me what you think. They're beautiful. They are truly beautiful. Oh my God. It is hard for me to pick. I mean, my left, your right, Pat McGrath, Light One. My right, your left, Huda Beauty Peach Pie. Please let me know in the comments what you think about these two loose setting powder. Do you like one more than the other? Do you like both? Do you even have any of these powders? Are you planning to get any of these powders? Let me know in the comments. The next video is coming up. Remember to watch, because now I'm going to put Pat McGrath against one size. I want to really see how they perform. So watch out for the next video on Pat McGrath versus one size. I will see you soon. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Bye.